Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP chapter-wise important question of physics inter second year after the reduction of 30% of the syllabus. As we all know that Board of Intermediate has reduced its syllabus by 30%. Students are eagerly waiting to know what are the important question of physics for IPE 2021. In this video, we will put a light on deleted chapter-wise portion and important question of physics that will be helpful for you to get maximum marks in your upcoming exam. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon so that you will get notified. Let us watch the video. Let us put some light on a deleted chapter-wise portion of physics second year. The first chapter is waves, the deleted topic is Doppler effect, and second chapter is ray optics and optical instrument. The deleted topic is reflection of light in spherical mirror. Third chapter is wave optics. The deleted topic is diffraction and polarization. Fourth chapter application of Gauss law, and next chapter is current electricity, color code for carbon, resistors, series and parallel, that is deleted. Next is 7th chapter moving charges and magnetism, cyclotron is deleted. 8th chapter magnetism and matter, these are the topics that are deleted from there, bar magnet and the equivalent solenoids. Next chapter is the 10th chapter, that is alternating current. The deleted topic is power factor and wattless current. And electromagnetic wave, the next chapter is displacement current, that is deleted. From dual nature of radiation and matter, Davidson and Germer experiments deleted. From nuclei radioactivity, complete topic is deleted. Next chapter is semiconductor, the p-n junction diode, Zener diode, these are the questions they have been deleted from the syllabus. This is a brief explanation of all the deleted topics of inter second year physics. Let us put some light on important question of intermediate second year physics. The first important question or the first important chapter in physics that gives you 8 marks. In this chapter there are 3 very important questions, that is open pipe long answer, closed pipe long answer, stretch string long answer. With that numerical is also given below. 4th one, 5th, 6th, 7th, these are the numerical problems, very important problems. You know, normally in intermediate exam they will ask one long answer, with that they will ask one numerical. The long answer is 6 marks and numerical 2 marks. These are the very important numerical for all these 3 long answers: open pipe, closed pipe, stretch string. Practice these all 4 numericals, that will give you maximum marks in waves. The next chapter is the very important chapter, that is ray optics. Ray optics will give you 2 plus 4, that is 6 marks, total 6 marks. In this we will see the 2 marks question, focal length and radius of curvature, and the focus and principal focus, power of lens, dispersion, and the one numerical problem is given. Next is myopia and hypermetropia. 4 marks question you will see. The important question is critical angle, formation of mirage, and label a neat diagram for formation of image of the simple microscope. The next chapter and the very important chapter that gives you 4 marks, that is wave optics. In that, very important question has been given. The first one is Doppler effect in light. Second is intensity at a point. Third one is principle of conservation of energy. These are the very important question for third chapter. Next is electric charges and field. You know, in electric charges and field, Coulomb's law. In electricity, very important: uniform electric field, intensity of electric field, an expression for equatorial plane of electric pole, Gauss line electrostatics. Next is electrostatic potential, capacitance of a parallel plate, very important question. Electric potential due to point charge, capacitor combination in parallel and series, and one numerical problem is also given. Next and the most important chapter is current electricity, that gives you 8 marks. In this you have 3 long answers. The first is Kirchhoff law, second is principle of potentiometer with a circuit diagram, comparison of 2 EMF. The next is determining the internal resistance of a given primary cell. With this long answer, they will ask one numerical, that is question number 1, question number 2, and 3, 4, 5. These are the very important numerical that gives you 2 marks, but the long answer is 6 marks. So if you are practicing these 3 long answers, with that you also have to practice these all numericals that will also give you maximum marks. The next chapter is moving charges and magnetism. This chapter is of 6 marks. One is 2 marks and second is 4 marks. 2 marks question is given here. Oersted experiment, N-turn carry a current, distinguish between ammeter and voltmeter, principle of moving coil galvanometer and moving coil galvanometer into ammeter and voltmeter. These are a very important question. And for the 4 marks for the same chapter, that is Biot-Savart law, Ampere's law, expression for magnetic induction, and expression for magnetic dipole of a revolving electron. These are the very, very important questions for chapter number 7. Next is chapter number 8, magnetism and matter. The questions has been given, 9 VSCQs has been given in this. So you have to practice this all 9 to get 2 marks. And next is electromagnetic induction. That is a 4 marks chapter. Important question has been given, Lenz's law, inductance or self-inductance, and the expression of a conductor which is moved in a uniform coil. And one numerical is also given. These are the 7 important questions in electromagnetic induction. Next, and the very important chapter, that is alternative current. In this you have given 8 questions. These are the very important questions for alternative current that gives you 2 marks. Next is electromagnetic waves, 2 marks, very important VSCQs, 9 VSCQs has been given. These are the very important VSCQs. Next is dual nature of radiation and matter. In this I have given you 10 VSCQs, very, very important VSCQs. Next is 13th chapter, that is atom. In this I have given 4 SAQs because atom carries 4 marks. It asks only 1 SAQ for an atom. Very 4 important questions, Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom, Rutherford model and its drawback, spectrum series, and de Broglie's explanation. Next and the last chapter of LEQ, that is nuclei. Nuclei is very important chapter. In this mostly the question come from nuclear reactor for 8 marks. With this numerical you will also ask. These 3 numerical you practice so that you will get all 8 marks in this chapter. Semiconductor and electronics, that is 2 plus 4 marks, that is 6 marks total. VSCQs has been given, 7 VSCQs I have listed here. These are the very important VSCQs from this chapter. And next is SAQs is given, 2 SAQs is given. Just practice this, you will get a maximum marks. Next and the last chapter is communication system for 2 marks. In this I have given 8 VSCQs that are very, very important VSCQs that 100% gives you 2 marks from this chapter. These are the brief explanation of important question and deleted portion of IP in Intermediate Second Year 2020. If you are preparing for IP 2021, practice all these questions. These are the very helpful questions for you, very, very important questions that give you maximum marks in Intermediate Second Year for physics. If you have any kind of doubt, if you are facing any difficulty in solving any numerical problem, you can write in the comment so that we can make a separate video on this and we will solve the numerical if you are getting any kind of doubt like this. This is a brief explanation. If any other queries is there, you can write in our comment. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.